Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Political pundits describe the relationship between Babush Montserrat and Manohar Parrikar as a strange one. Nobody knew if they were friends or enemies. But the strange relationship went bitter when Parrikar's son Utpal decided to lock horns with Babush to contest as an independent from Banerjee. Babush responded sternly after winning the assembly polls.
See, let us quell that, what is that, dynasty, that, what you say, sympathy and all, legacy, dynasty, whatever you say, dynasty, legacy and all, that is all dead. There is no this thing.
Days later, both Babush and Utpal were seen together to pay their respects to late Manohar Parrikar on his third death anniversary. A cordial environment, all peace and no clutter, no power battle. All Babush said was,
Yeah, I came to pay homage to the departed soul, Mr. Manohar Parrikar. May his soul rest in peace.